Come on, throw up, man, please.
Come on, somebody got this is a pathetic foul, right?
I know, this is pathetic.
You're right there! Ew. Yes. Oh,
Yeah, there's one.
how good does that feel? Why are you moving everywhere? Yeah, that didn't help you?
No.
I feel sicker now. I don't feel like throwing up.
That was a pathetic.
That doesn't feel good at all.
Come on, that wasn't like...
I still got a whole lot of milk in
Damn it!
Damn you, fucking.
Damn you!
there. Just keep your mouth open. No homo. No, take in air. Take in air.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna shit myself. Yo. I think I'm gonna do something.
Do it. Oh my God.
Yeah. Look, I can see my Arby's. Yo, I think I drank the most. I threw up the most. Alright, yo, let's get some McDonald's, yo. Yo, that smells nice.
I did.
Oh my god.
Yes!
Do you feel better?
You feel so much
Not good.
I was trying to make you poop again.
I probably could, but I don't want to because something else is gonna come out.
Shit. Yo, you've been recording the ground this whole time. You are a bad
I
man.
recorded everything you and Nick just did. Everything. Could you like take this and turn it off?
I'm sorry. Let me see. Ew, ew. He's spilling chunks.
I'm all done puking.
That was gross as fuck. We're throwing up milk. This nigga's throwing up chunks.